fully automatic, multi-head machine by Sensograph. This machine is useful for packaging of raisin. It produces 25 to 50 packets per minute. It has servo-motorized belt drive. Suitable pouch capacity is 50 grams to 1 kilogram. This machine works on single phase. This machine has online two-side printing capability. Being compact, minimum space is required. You can be rest assured with high quality, timely delivery, and post-sale service. Sensograph, packaging simplified.